In episode 1, we talked about what AI actually is, a prediction engine, and we talked about why you've been getting robotic, generic, useless answers. Because the prompt E, what you type into that box, is the only thing AI has to work with. Vague prompt, generic prediction, generic output, every time. Today, we fix that. I'm going to give you 3 things. 1, how to introduce yourself. 2, the single most powerful line. 3, the 5-part formula. Let's go. The fix starts with one habit that almost nobody develops. Introduce yourself to AI before you ask it anything important. Most people type their question immediately. That's exactly why they get generic answers. AI doesn't know who you are, what you do, or what success looks like, so it predicts for the average person. And you are not the average person. Here is the exact structure that changes everything. I am blank, I am trying to blank. My audience is blank, my goal is blank. Fill that in honestly, before you type your question, and you have already given AI more context than 90% of people ever provide. The prediction is a completely different result. Let me show you what this looks like. Say you run a cleaning business and you want help responding to a negative Google review. Without the introduction, help me respond to a bad review. AI guesses everything, what kind of business, what the complaint was, and it gives you something generic that sounds like a corporate customer service script. With the introduction, I run a residential cleaning business in Atlanta. A customer left a 1-star review. I want to respond warmly and professionally without being defensive. Same AI, same task. Completely different result, because now AI has a picture, not just a name. Now here's the single most powerful thing I'm going to give you in this entire series. 1 line. Add it to the end of any important prompt. Before you answer, ask me the questions you need so you can give me a better result. Never assume. That's it. This one instruction changes the entire dynamic. Instead of AI predicting immediately based on limited information, it stops. It asks you what it needs to know. You answer. And then it builds a response around your actual situation. This is how good professionals work. A doctor doesn't prescribe before asking about symptoms. A lawyer doesn't advise before understanding your situation. Prompt AI the same way. And once you start using it, you will never go back. Now let me give you the complete framework. Every strong prompt has 5 parts. We call it the rule of 5. Part 1, role. Give it an expert identity. You are a senior marketing strategist. This change alone dramatically improves the quality of what comes back. Part 2, goal. Not a category, the actual specific output. Write a 3-email sequence. Build me a 7-day content plan. Tell it exactly what you need. Part 3, context. Who is the audience? What's the situation? What does a good result look like? The more specific your context, the more specific the prediction. Part 4, constraints. How long? What tone? What to include or avoid? Constraints replace AI's default choices with yours. That's how you stop getting robotic output. Part 5, output. A numbered list, a table, a script, tell it exactly. If you don't specify, it picks the most average format. Average formats produce average results. Role, goal, context, constraints, output, 5 parts. Let me bring this all together with the candle business. They typed, "Write me a Facebook ad," and got generic junk. Here's the same business with the rule of 5. You are a direct response copywriter. Write an ad for my handmade soy candles. My customer is a woman in her 30s who buys intentionally. Look at what that prompt includes. Role, goal, context, constraints, and the clarify first rule. Same AI, same candle business, completely different result. That is the fix. If that reframed something for you, hit subscribe. Recap. Introduce yourself. Use the clarify first rule. Follow the rule of 5. Change the prompt. Change everything. In episode 3, the craft method. If you want all 70+ prompts ready to use, the prompt plug system is linked below. See you in episode 3.